In this next series of videos, we're going to be troubleshooting both your kit and your technique. Learning bow drill itself is a very complicated and simple skill. When everything is right and your kit is looking good, this is very simple to do. Bow drill can be complicated in the sense that there are many little issues that can come up that you're going to want to be aware of so that you know how to troubleshoot them. Being good at bow drill is really about having a really large bag of tricks and tips that you can use to navigate the many things that come up. What I want to emphasize as an overarching principle is material selection. This is foundational to your kit at large, and if you have poor material selection, you're not getting anywhere fast. So it's imperative for success that your kit, the pieces of wood that you've collected, are not wet, they're not rotten, there's no punkiness to them, and that they're appropriate density for each piece. So I just want to say material selection at large is going to affect a lot of this, and you want to make sure that you're working with the right materials. Other than that, it's a really beautiful skill. We're really excited to teach this to you, and this is really going to be the gold. So this is something we expect you to come back to over and over again to say, what's going on? Why does my spindle look like this? Why is this dust so light? Etc. And so we're going to break it down. We're going to go through each pieces of the kit and then talk about form, technique overall. If everything in your kit is right and you're still not finding success, it's probably materials. So you're going to want to approach that with a critical eye. That being said, try as many materials as you can. There are woods that are going to be more efficient and therefore just easier to work with that are local to your area, but all woods can be used for bow drill, or we've tried so many. And really being able to experiment with all of the different woods that are available to you is going to teach you so much more about the different variables and form and things that you're going to want to consider. And that's why you should try lots of woods after you find success with the easy ones.